Ever dream of jetting off to exotic destinations without breaking the bank? The allure of far off places, the thrill of new experiences, all within your reach. We all crave adventure, but the cost of travel can sometimes clip our wings. High prices can turn dreams into disappointments, leaving us grounded. What if I told you there's a secret weapon for unlocking incredible flight deals? A tool that can transform your travel plans from fantasy to reality. Get ready to pack your bags because we're about to explore the world of affordable travel with BookVipPlus.com, your gateway to budget-friendly adventures. Imagine soaring above the clouds, the world stretched out beneath you, all while knowing you snagged an amazing deal on your flight. The sky is no longer the limit. That's the power of smart travel planning. And BookVipPlus.com is here to be your co-pilot on this exciting journey. Together, we can make your travel dreams come true. Let's dive in and discover how this fantastic platform can make your travel dreams a reality. Get ready to embark on your next adventure with confidence and excitement. In a world saturated with travel websites, BookVipPlus.com stands out as a beacon for budget-conscious explorers. This user-friendly platform is designed to help you navigate the often overwhelming world of flight bookings and emerge victorious with incredible deals. No more endless scrolling through confusing websites or spending hours comparing prices. BookVipPlus.com does the heavy lifting for you, aggregating the best flight deals from various airlines and presenting them in a clear, concise manner. It's like having a personal travel agent at your fingertips, available 24/7 to help you find the perfect flight at the perfect price. So, what makes BookVipPlus.com so special? First and foremost, it's all about saving you money. The platform scours the internet for the lowest fares, including exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. This means you can stretch your travel budget further and experience more of the world without overspending. But it's not just about price. BookVipPlus.com prides itself on transparency. You'll find clear and upfront information about baggage fees, seat selection, and other important details. So, there are no surprises when you arrive at the airport. Plus, their dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Ready to embark on your affordable adventure? Let's get started. Using BookVipPlus.com is as easy as packing your suitcase. It's designed to make your travel planning seamless and stress-free. Simply follow these simple steps to book your dream trip. Step 1. Enter your travel details. Head to BookVipPlus.com and enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, and number of passengers. 2. Browse the results. BookVipPlus.com will work its magic, presenting you with a curated list of the best flight deals that match your criteria. You'll see a variety of options tailored just for you. You can filter these results by airline, price, number of stops, and more. 3. Select your flight. Once you've found the perfect flight, simply click Select to proceed to the booking page. 4. Review and confirm. Double check all your travel details, including passenger information and any additional options you've selected. Make sure everything is correct. Then proceed to payment and confirmation. Enter your payment details, securely and confirm your booking. 5. Pack your bags and go. Get ready for your adventure. Congratulations! You've successfully booked your affordable flight with BookVipPlus.com. It's that simple. Now it's time to pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Enjoy your trip and safe travels. Section 5. Destination Savings. Insider tips for budget travelers. Finding cheap flights is an art, and with a few insider tips, you can become a master bargain hunter. Here are some strategies to maximize your savings on BookVipPlus.com. Be flexible with your dates. Adjusting your travel dates by just a few days can make a big difference in price. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season, which is the time between peak and off-peak, can often yield significant savings. You'll also enjoy fewer crowds and a more relaxed experience. Weekdays are generally cheaper than weekends as well. Consider alternative airports. Flying into a smaller regional airport near your destination can sometimes be cheaper than flying into a major hub. Plus, it can offer a more convenient and less stressful travel experience. Sign up for email alerts. Stay in the loop about flash sales, special promotions, and aerofares by subscribing to BookVipPlus.com's email newsletter. These deals can disappear quickly, so being informed is key. This way, you'll be among the first to know about incredible deals. Happy travels and happy savings. Section 6. Flexibility is key. Embrace the art of travel dates. One of the golden rules of budget travel is flexibility. Treat your travel dates as a suggestion, not a demand. Are you set on flying on a Friday? What about a Tuesday? Could you depart a few days earlier or later? By being open to shifting your travel dates by a few days, you might be surprised at the incredible deals you can uncover. BookVipPlus.com makes it easy to compare prices across different dates with its handy calendar view, allowing you to pinpoint the most budget-friendly options. Section 7. Unlock hidden gems. Explore alternative airports. When searching for flights, don't limit yourself to the most obvious airports. Sometimes, venturing a little further afield can lead to significant savings. Consider flying into a smaller regional airport near your destination. While it might require a bit more ground transportation, the cost difference in airfare can be substantial. BookVipPlus.com allows you to easily search for flights to multiple airports simultaneously, making it a breeze to compare prices and find the most budget-friendly option. Section 8. Pack your bags, not your worries. The power of early booking. The early bird catches the worm, as they say, and this rings especially true in the world of airfare. Booking your flights in advance, especially for popular destinations or peak seasons, is crucial for securing the best deals. Airlines often release their cheapest fares months in advance, and these seats tend to get snapped up quickly. By using BookVipPlus.com to plan and book your trips ahead of time, you can take advantage of these early bird discounts and avoid the stress of last-minute price hikes. Section 9. Time to explore. Your affordable adventure awaits. There you have it, your passport to unlocking incredible flight deals and making your travel dreams a reality. BookVipPlus.com empowers you to take control of your travel budget and experience the world without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Visit BookVipPlus.com today, start exploring your options, and get ready to embark on your next unforgettable adventure. The world is waiting, and with BookVipPlus.com, it's closer than you think.